I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by locking in the essentials. Know your operating system and what you want to record, because the right recorder depends on both. Once done, check hardware, available disk space, microphone, webcam, and whether your GPU supports hardware encoding. These determine quality and performance. Then decide between lightweight apps for quick captures or feature-rich software for editing and streaming. Make sure to note frame rate needs and destination file format, because that affects which tools you should try first. Now pick candidates and install them: a native recorder for your OS, an open-source option, and a polished paid tool if needed. Once installed, configure capture resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. Pick an encoder like X264 or NVENC to balance quality versus CPU load. Next, assign audio sources and hotkeys, choose full screen or window capture, and set an autosave folder to prevent data loss. If you plan to edit, record in a high-quality intermediate format to preserve detail. Finish by running short test recordings of 30 to 60 seconds to confirm audio-video sync and visual quality. Review the files and note dropped frames or stutter. If you see issues, make adjustments. Lower bitrate, change encoder, or reduce resolution to ease CPU/GPU load. Make sure hotkeys don't conflict with other apps. If problems persist, update drivers, grant screen capture permissions, and close background processes. One key tip: enable logging or diagnostics in the recorder to pinpoint persistence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.